In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales order in Zoho Books. A sales order is a document you generate after a customer confirms they want to buy your products or services. It helps you lock in the items, quantities, prices, and delivery details before you invoice or ship. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Zoho Books, what to click, and what information to fill out so you can create a clean professional sales order every time. First, open your browser and log in to your Zoho Books account. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, look for the Sales section in the left-hand menu. From there, click on Sales Orders. This will bring you to the Sales Orders module, where you'll see a list of any existing orders along with their status. To create a new one, look for a button that says Create Sales Order or a plus icon labeled New, usually near the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. Zoho Books will open a fresh sales order form for you to complete. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start with the customer information by selecting an existing contact from your list. If the customer is new, you can add them here so their details are saved for future orders. Check that the billing and shipping addresses are correct, especially if they're different. Next, review the sales order date and the sales order number. The date usually defaults to today, but you can change it if needed. The order number may be generated automatically based on your settings, so only adjust it if your company uses a specific numbering format. Then move to the item details section. Add each product or service the customer is purchasing. For every line item, make sure you've set the correct quantity, unit price, and any applicable discounts. Zoho Books will calculate the subtotal and taxes automatically, but it's a good idea to quickly review the totals at the bottom to make sure everything looks right. You can also add notes or terms and conditions if you want to clarify payment terms, delivery expectations, or any special instructions for the customer. Once you've finished reviewing the entire sales order, you have two options. If you're not ready to send it yet, click Save as Draft. This keeps the order stored in your account so you can come back and edit it later. If everything is final and you're ready to share it with your customer, click Save and Send. Zoho Books will save the order and open up the email window so you can send it directly from the system. And that's it. You've successfully created a sales order in Zoho Books.